Congratulations.
I'm not tough.
Congratulations.
But I'm tougher than you because I'm at least willing to show up.
Listen.
Yeah, suck my dick. I'm about this shit. I'll beat Ryan Upchurch's ass any day of the week. I'll put my whole catalog, $3 million, my house, and everything I own on it.
Hey, what's up? I'm Eddie Grable. Adam Calhoun, I'm calling you out, bro. I've been a fan of yours for quite a while now, and fan of Ryan Upchurch's as well. And some of the shit you said got me thinking, why don't you put your money where your mouth is and fight me? I'll kick your ass. Me. I don't even fight. $3 million on the line, I will beat your ass worse than Trump in a Joe Biden debate. Swear to God, I'll have you quitting and having a female replace you halfway through your campaign, bro. I'm your Huckleberry.
I'm your Huckleberry.
Look at me. I'm your Upchurch now.
Look at me, sure. Look at me, sure.
I'm the Upchurch now. Fight me. Don't be a bitch, bro. Don't be a bitch. Don't puss out. Don't puss out, bro.
Oh, Ryan's gonna end your career. End my career, bitch. Suck my dick, Kurt. Get the fuck out of here. Beat it. You say my name on the internet.
Adam Calhoun. Internet. Ooh.
You think it's safe to troll me on the internet.
I'm a disabled Marine Corps veteran. I've been to war 3 times for far less money than what you're offering Upchurch to get into a fight with them. So fight me. I mean, I'll fight you for half of what you're offering Upchurch. I'm your Upchurch now. Fight me. Come on. Make my dreams come true. Maybe I'll help you dream by knocking your ass out.
Motherfucker, I don't dream.
I know.
That is if you're not too big of a pussy to fight me. Which I think you're scared. We all know that you'll never put that much money on the line against some fucking random person you don't know. You can only threaten people that you do actually know. Put your money where your mouth is, bro. Let's go. For America. Do it for America, bro.
You're a fucking 33, 34-year-old grown-ass fucking pussy.
Your wife must be extremely proud that she married you. I bet she loves just listening to you walk through the halls all night being like, these guys are better than me, and I'm angry about it.
Congratulations.
I'm not tough.
Congratulations.
But I'm tougher than you because I'm at least willing to show up.
I dream every night, Adam Calhoun. Why don't you make my dreams come true and fight me, little pussy?
Little pussy. Little pussy.
You're too afraid to fight me. I'm your Upchurch now, bitch. My back's right about here. Good morning, Yarrow. Good morning, Zack. Good, good. How are you? What are you working on?
I made a cutting board.
Yeah?
See it?
Yes.
Follow me.
Everyone's here working early this morning. There it is. Woo! Very nice.
Want to put a decorative edge on it. How do you feel about that?
I like it. What kind of decorative edge you thinking?
I haven't figured it out yet. I'm going to figure it out. I'll show you when I start cutting.
All right.
Wish me luck.
Good luck.
You'll have to shape.
Yeah.
You got to shape that right away. Yeah.
So this comes out. First I'll do my line so I know where to cut it.
Yeah. Draw your line because it's a little long, and then that's good. And
So 3 times is that?
it's close. A couple swipes of that block plane is going to go in, then you're going to be able to determine is it hitting the wall, is it racking. Once it gets in, let's say I'm sliding it in. That's up here right now. I get it in.
Another
Now,
dog.
huh?
Another dog.
Yeah.
Where'd that one come from?
That's Chloe's dog. She's making up a day from last week.
I was like,
So now you want to determine, is my drawer front totally flush with my dividers? Is it a little inset? Like, do I have a 16th of a gap inset, or is it a little set out?
whatever you want.
It's what you like to look at.
See, I inset mine, every layer is inset differently, so I have to have my drawer for 16 past this layer. I can make it look right.
I can tell you that it's a lot easier if you do this. Just slightly. And because you can kind of hide some imperfections and you can do
So in my case, I'm going to do this. That's perfect.
Yeah. You know, if your drawer pulls are this long, you go that deep.
It's just a rope handle that I
But what's going to happen,
like a clown.
undoubtedly, is that you're gonna fit everything good. You know, it's gonna start sliding in clean, and then you're gonna want it. You want it to look like that, right? Some sort of even reveal, but it's gonna look like it's gonna camp like that. I'm being probably
That's
more
extreme.
I'm probably being more dramatic. But what's gonna? So then you're like, and like no matter what, you can't move that drawer anywhere else inside of that carcass. It's gonna look like that. Pencil? Yeah, pencil.
Pencil?
Thank you. All right, we got one. So then, the reason we have a half wall that's not too thick is that you want that reveal to be even. So I need to draw with pencil here, cut another piece of plywood, lock it in this way, right? So it's overhanging, and then I just plane this down. So I'm bringing that wall, I'm tapering that. And my wall is going to get thinner on my half-plane wall.
So it
Now,
just visually looks like it's okay. but
it's visually,
not.
but you'll never, no one's ever really looking and being like, hey, are those half-plane walls the same? You know, like, you don't really look at two sides of the drawer at the same time. So you might have to bring one side down a little bit so that eventually you're going to plane, and it's going to turn back. So those are some final
So it
steps.
really
there.
won't be straight. It just looks like
It
it's
just
straight.
looks-
It'll be straight to the front of the case.
Yeah.
Exactly. You're fitting it to the case.
Past that, you don't care if it's straight here.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm surprised they just didn't have a bunch of squares made up.
I don't always wake up in the morning, pour myself a strong one. Oh, but when I get lonely, I do. Memories
I only had to take it back
all of these miles on this Chevy and prayers and a few all them days I spent wasted on you. Wasted on you. Yeah, I wasting of you. All them days I spent wasted on you. All of this time, all of this money, all of these wasted and wasted on you. All of these wasted and wasted on you. And a few all these days I spent wasted on you. Wasted all of you.
You can see I have a tiny little crack here, right there. I'm gonna add some super glue to that so that it's solid. I'm gonna open it up a little bit. Squirt that in there. Glue my finger to it. Let it sit. Rodney's down here romulating. Getting ready to glue up this here. This super glue's dry. Just using a minimal amount on these walls in here. Those walls covered. It's in there.
and